Your lesson essential question is, how do we determine the author's purpose for writing an informational text? So this week we're going to be identifying the author's purpose for writing, and we're going to be doing that with informational texts this time. The word purpose means reason, so we're going to be looking at the reasons why authors write these texts. So authors write with a purpose or a reason. Some of the reasons authors write is to describe, answer questions, or explain a topic. We call it the author's purpose. So again, purpose means reason. So we're going to be looking for, in our texts, we're going to be looking for descriptions, answers to questions, or explanations. We'll be looking for those details that support the topic, that show the author's purpose. So we're going to start by identifying the main topic of the text. What is the text all about? Then we'll identify if the author's describing something to us, explaining something to us, or answering questions about something. After we identify their purpose, we'll find the key details from the text that support the points the author's trying to make. And then last, we'll describe the key details and how they support the author's purpose for writing a text. So, understanding what an author wants to explain or describe will help you find the main purpose of a text. Authors write for different reasons. They write to describe what something is like, give details, or to explain something. As you read, we use the details from the text to figure out the author's main purpose for writing. Let's read the passage below. 3 months ago, our garden was just a patch of dirt. Now it's a rainbow of colors. There are smooth red tomatoes, bright green cucumbers, shiny red and orange peppers, and snowy white cauliflower. Before we talk about the reason the author wrote this passage, I want you to take a second and identify the main topic. Remember, the main topic is what the text is all about. So this text was all about a garden. Now let's talk about some of these key details. I see that it mentions the smooth red tomatoes. I also see it mentions bright green cucumbers. What else does it mention? It probably said shiny red and orange peppers. So as I'm reading this, I can identify that the reason the author wrote this was to describe what is growing in the garden. And I know this author is describing because I see words like smooth, red, these are describing the tomatoes. Bright, green, these are description words. Shiny, red, orange. All of these words are used to describe the vegetables. In your assignment today, you're going to be identifying one more key detail that shows that the author's describing what's growing in the garden.